Okay, we got our head here. Our head's all done to this point, so what we want to do is we want to work on this mouth. So I'm going to use my belt sander to round it down in here, and then we'll get that to fit. Then we'll move on to the next step. I'm going to use my belt sanders to initially round it down, and then we'll go to the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put them in my comments section on YouTube, and I will get back with you. So you can see we're going to round it down like this, so we're going to keep working on this, rounding it down with our belt sanders, and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.